yet another video. Today is a vloggy type video because of two reasons. One is Quaffle's birthday! Happy birthday! She's a bit soggy right now. She's just been outside enjoying birthday showers in the tree because that is her favourite place to shower. She loves hanging from the branches in the garden to have her showers, don't you? Birthday girl here is 5 years old today. 5 years old! You're an adult now! Very happy, very excited girl for her birthday. Although I am slightly concerned that their screams are no longer hurting my ears. I think I might have slight hearing loss. Anyway, regardless of that, we have got a very fun and exciting weekend planned because not only is it Quaffle's birthday, we are actually travelling down south to the place I can't remember to celebrate Miley and me's birthday because it was Miley's birthday on Wednesday and obviously it's Quaffle's birthday tomorrow, so it's only right we go celebrate the day with them. Yeah! No, you're not having the camera. Do you want to go over there? Go over there into the hangy thing. Hey! Hey! Yes, I'm sneezing. They want me to get the wasp out. There's a wasp on the window. They want me to get it out. One sec. And while we're at it, just a quick puberty update on our Lyra. She is very different from what Quaffle was like at puberty. Lyra is extremely nesty to the point where she is just destroying everything. She especially likes chewing that door, don't you? So we're having fun with that. She is just finding any pieces of cardboard, anything that is rippable or tearable, any pieces of soft wood. Get off it. Don't even think about it. You're on camera. They're watching you. No eating the wood. Watching. But so far she's not really shown any form of aggression like Quaffle did. Like Quaffle was highly aggressive, whereas Lyra has only really shown any form of cage territorialness in her bed cage, and that is only if she gets in there and she wants to go to bed and she doesn't want to be disturbed. So she's actually quite well behaved in that respect. She's not actually shown any cage territorialness except for that bed cage. Speaking of cages, we have to get ready to go. I have already been shopping today. I've been on a run today, and I've also been shopping for these two little madams as well. We've got some new bowls in order to put into the cage. We've got some new perches because I was just a bit worried that some of the perches just weren't good enough. I figured we need some new ones. So we've got some new perches to put in their cages, and we have also got something a little different. We've got some acrylic glass or acrylic sheeting, and the idea of this acrylic sheeting, it's going to go between their bed cages so that they can share the same bed cage again, but hopefully without trying to attack each other through the bars and bite each other's toes off. This was an idea that we actually got from the Parrot teacher during our Starter Birds Really Starter Birds video. He was mentioning to put acrylic on the cages in order to stop toes getting bitten through toes. So I am going to go and cut that now and arrange that so that it can go in their bed cage on the hope that it does work and it goes great. We then need to pack for our holiday. I'll be honest, that took way longer than it should have, and I didn't record most of it because it was a lot of learning and DIY and last minute changes of plans and minds. But it's done. It is done and it is in. And it ain't moving. I've secured it with a sharp thingy cable tie, so it isn't going to move anywhere soon. Now I just need to actually sort out the girls' cages ready for this weekend. Also pack my own stuff. I've still not packed myself, and there's only 2.5 hours till Jason finishes and I've still not eaten. We just stopped off at Jason's mum and dad to drop off the key because they're going to be checking in on Jinx for us while we're away for the weekend, which we're very grateful for. Girls are ready to go. There's Larry. Here's the coffee. Time for a fun weekend, a long drive. Stop for a quick meal break. It's always very important when we're travelling with the girls to make sure we do have a few regular stops so that they can have something to drink and also something to snack on. How are you, Coffee? She's wondering why it's way past her bedtime and she's still awake. We've got Lyra somewhere in the corner there. Hi, Baba. We're actually going to put the cover over them in a minute so they can actually get some shut-eye. I'm just going to have something to eat first and then we're going to close the girls over and head off to our destination. Right, we have finally arrived at our place of stay. Oh, hello. I'll mention that quickly. So as I was saying, we've actually reached our accommodation. We are staying at this absolutely lovely caravan in a big caravan parky area. That's the only way I can describe it. It's like...
What a Simone gnome.
We brought us a Simone gnome as well. I'm not going to explain that. But yes, we're staying at a lovely caravan park, which I was actually saying to Jason, it reminds me of Centre Parks, but like cheap version. And can I just say, I think I have a spy. It's a really, really lovely place. It's actually pretty cheap and it's round the corner from where the event is tomorrow. So yes, it's a really, really lovely place and it's literally round the corner from where the event is, which is perfect. I am not kidding. Jason, you're ruining the video. Jason, Jason. And it's pretty cheap. We're only going to be here for 2 nights, I think. It's going to be fun. The girls are actually just behind me on the floor. They're just sleeping. Or I say sleeping, they're trying to sleep. We're actually going to put them in their backpack carrier tomorrow and put them in the wardrobe where it's a bit darker and a bit quieter for them. But for tonight, we didn't want to disturb them, so we're staying down there. We're going to settle down for the night. We're going to get chill, let the girls settle and sleep. Then we've got the big event tomorrow. Now the problem is the event tomorrow is predicted to have thunderstorms all day long, hoping the weather changes its mind. If not, apparently there is a plan B. I think we're going to go inside the hall. I'm not sure. We'll find out on the day, but hopefully we'll be having a fantastic time and it'll be wonderful to see all of our friends.
No. Ready?
So we're just now having breakfast and doing some morning training with the smalls and just chilling with the girls. We are getting ready to head out. It is actually due to thunderstorm a bit later today. Apparently there is a plan B for if the weather is bad. So I don't know whether or not we're going to be going in the hall. We're just waiting to find out before we head over. Or we're hoping to find out before we head over. We're currently just chilling and relaxing.
Station first? Station? Oh.
Sorry, go into
Couple blocks.
No, that side, your hand. She's retaliating now. She's like, if you won't get me, I'm just gonna cancel. You okay, Ringo? Good boy! Good girl, no!
I'm not good.
Do you want to?
Ready? Wow.
Ain't got to leave him alone.
The kick.
He's loving it. It's like.
I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling.
Do I just keep recording?
When can I start?
I want to quit my job. Can I just say I feel like farting?
Oh, now you want to try. Oh, now you're gonna hog it, Rainbow.
Now you're in focus. Hi, beautiful. Oh my God, you have no idea. I just like that.
3, 2, 1,
So this is now the next day. We are absolutely exhausted from our weekend away, but we've had an amazing time. We're currently doing the last bits of training before we head off, and then we are going to head home for a well-deserved rest. And I've got a lot of video editing to do for this weekend. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and I hope you have a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye!